Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Be10x, 10x your productivity. I'm Antriksh, and today I have a new company for you. I have a new person to discuss with, and whenever we here at Be10x go and find out new stuff for you, new things for you guys to learn, there's one name which has been sort of cropping up every now and then. One name, Thomas Siebel, and one company, C3I. So, what is that? What is that buzz all about? We're going to discuss it today, right here.
9 rupees. 9 rupees cannot even buy you a packet of chips. But what if I tell you 9 rupees can save your job? What if I tell you 9 rupees can get you salary hike? What if I tell you 9 rupees can build your career in better way? Sounds too good to be true, right?
So, what is C3AI? Who is Thomas Siebel, and what does he do? So, Thomas Siebel, an American billionaire, of course, he is opinionated on AI to say the least. He obviously was the co-founder of a software company, which was Siebel Solutions, and now he is the CEO and the co-founder owner of C3AI. Now, what is C3AI? It's basically a company that provides digital artificial intelligence oriented solutions for commercial problems, generative AI solutions for commercial problems. Now, it was dated, like it was found way back in 2009. Now, it's been a long while since it has been founded. So it's not like it's a new company. Yeah, they have been in the space of AI, but with generative AI coming in, they've just absolutely ramped up their game, and now they're more into the generative AI stuff. They've partnered with AWS, so that's something we're going to discuss as well. But just before we move forward, I would like to present you guys the newest, the best workshop in town, which is from B10x, and there you go. This is the best workshop you can get at the best rate possible, which is just for 9 rupees. All you need to do is you need to click the link down below and register for the workshop only and only for 9 rupees. Yup, best use cases of AI tools and the best version of ChatGPT. You can get done with presentations under 10 seconds. You can do any kind of IT work under 10 minutes. Probably be the top 0.01% of Excel users. It's 1%, but I can guarantee 0.1. You'll absolutely be, you'll save your job. It's under threat due to the workload and everything, and it is just going to teach you the best AI tools and the best sort of way to use ChatGPT to its fullest extent, and it is going to 10x your productivity, 10x, and skyrocket your commercial career. So don't forget to check the link down below and sign up for this workshop just for 9 rupees. Yup, just for 9 rupees. So yeah, I mean, that is something about what we're discussing here. So now if you go on to C3AI's website, right? So here we are. We're going to get a much better view of what the company does, right? C3AI delivers a comprehensive enterprise, right? Enterprise AI application development platform in a large and growing family of Turkney enterprise AI applications. So now, what does this mean, right? Let me make you understand, and maybe a layman language. So we have had plugins in ChatGPT. We have had AI tools. So the same way you can maybe expect this as AI tools, or plugins. Like if a company is ChatGPT, then C3AI will be its plugins. What do I mean by that? So companies don't usually, of course, they hire their own data scientists and all of these management consultants and here and there and stuff. But most of them are outsourced, and most of these services are outsourced. And most of the tech, even tech companies are not tech innovators. They're just tech users. So they don't innovate tech. Of course, Microsoft, Nvidia, Google, Meta, apart from these, they just use tech to further do better in their business. And this is where C3AI comes in. So basically, if you have supposedly a logistics company, right, and they have like a million trucks going around on the road, if we take US as the country, for example, so they have a million trucks on road, and then they use this application by C3AI, and then they can better predict, right? All right, this is the time for maintenance of this one. We need to take it off road so that it doesn't break down in the middle of a journey. Of course, it can break down still, but this is what sort of AI solutions render to, right? If it's like a chimney or any sort of kitchen equipment or whatever company, and it needs an upgradation or whatever, and then if the chimney has sensors and it's connected to that app, which is obviously powered by C3AI AI and stuff. So then the user can get a manual, oh, right, it needs repairing, or the company gets a reminder that you need to send a reminder to the customer, and then they get sent a reminder that your chimney is blah 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 blah. You need to replace it or get it refurbished or something like that. So I mean this is what in a nutshell C3AI does, and it is in a dozen number of industries, and US government fancies them as well. So yeah, look at this. C3AI applications, over 40 turnkey enterprise AI applications that meet the business critical needs of global enterprises in manufacturing, financial services, government utilities, oil, gas, chemicals, agribusinesses, defense, and intelligence, and more. See Shell, US Air Force, NG, Koch, right? Baker Hughes, right? So AI applications. So there you go. It's in a lot. Now, if I look at the industries, right? Boom, look at this: manufacturing, oil and gas, utilities, financial services, defense and intelligence, transportation, telecommunications, retail, healthcare. They are very bullish on the healthcare industry in terms of getting the healthcare industry fully AI furnished, and they just believe that healthcare would be the biggest industry where AI would impact. And they recently partnered up with Amazon. So this reflected in their financial listing as well. If I show you guys this, right? There you go. I hope you guys can see this. Yeah. So Investopedia, obviously, for all my investing related news and stuff, I always check these guys out for international updates here and there. So C3 AI shares jump. Of course, it has gone back a bit down, but it was like 14, 15 days ago, a couple of weeks ago. They absolutely boom started skyrocketing. C3 AI shares jump as firm expands artificial intelligence collaboration with Amazon. Right. So shares of C3 AI gained over 7% on Tuesday, which would be like 2 weeks from now. No, sorry, 2 weeks ago, not 2 weeks from now. As the enterprise artificial intelligence software maker expanded its strategic collaboration agreement with Amazon's web services. So there you go. They originally struck the deal in 2016, but AI solutions to solve customers' critical business challenges in a variety of industries. Together, they provide services in multiple verticals, including manufacturing, power, and utility consume. So, they are all over the place. And as I said, they are with the US defense as well. US fly, air something, US Air Force and stuff like that. So, they are a company who probably are very bullish on the whole AI, AI oriented solutions industry as a whole. And Thomas Siebel is one great public figure for that. So, this was C3I, a quick roundup about them and about Thomas Siebel as well. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe to the channel. Also, check the link down below. Only 9 rupees, and you'd get the workshop, the best AI tools and ChatGPT workshop you'd ever ask for 3 hours. You're gonna be a master of it for just 9 rupees. Check that out. Till the next time, take care of yourselves, and I'll speak to you guys in a bit. Cheers.